ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Hare Krishna, welcome to today's topic, that is killing of Sakatasura. This pastime happened when Krishna was only 3 months old. That is stated by in Bhagavatam, 2nd canto, 7th chapter. Brahma says this point, that Traimasikasya cha pada sakato apavruta. While describing the various pastimes of the Lord, he said that Tokena jivaharana jat ulukikaya. When the Lord was only 6 days old, he killed that Putana. We have already discussed. And when 3 months old, that is he was turning upside down like that. This is called Sakata Traimasikasya. When he was 3 months old, before that he could not even turn around. He was just sleeping one side only. There is no just looking upward. And at this point, only 3 months old, he could turn his side. That is called. There is a Jasoda Mata when she saw that her child is growing, and he is able to turn around his body. So she was very happy, and she arranged a big festival for that. So all the Brajavasis, they came, and also Brahmanas, they also came, they chanted, and that is called auspicious invocations like Om Swastino Govindo, Swastino Chidanandu, etc. Swasti, this is called Suasti. How auspiciousness will come? This is through Vedic way of life. Or in Veda, it is described how one can get auspiciousness. So, the Brahmanas, those who know Veda, they were chanting the hymns, Vedic hymns, and the ladies, they were singing songs on this auspicious occasion, and there is also dancing and so many festival occasion. And Jasodama was also preparing so many nice foods to serve them. But the child is only 3 months old. Where to keep the child? Because so many persons have come, and it so also happens that demigods also come in the guise of human beings. Even Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, they get a chance to come to take part in this festival. They also come just like human being. So in this way, the inside of the Nanda Maharaj's house was full. So where to keep Krishna? So Jasodama gave her breast milk to the child, and the child became asleep. And so she kept the child in a cradle under a cart. And that Sakatasura came in that cart. He wanted to kill that boy, 3 months old. But all the festivities were going inside the house, and he is staying outside in the courtyard. And some boys also were watching this child, Krishna. At the time, his name was also not given. He was given name when he was 100 days old. It is only 3 months. So, some other children were also watching the boy, and the festivities were going on inside, dancing, singing, chanting, drum beating, etc., taking food and giving presents. In this way, there is huge festivities going on. And when those who have come to attend the festival, they have also brought some upahara, that is called presentations. They have also brought some presentations like ghee, milk, curd, like that. And all these presentations were kept on that cart. And inside that cart, in a cradle, a child Krishna was sleeping, and he was feeling hungry. The Lord has no hunger, but still then he has his pastimes. So he showed this pastime that I am hungry. As if he is hungry, he asks for us, from us, give us some patrang, puspang, phalang, toyang, give us some patra, means a leaf, and or a fruit, or a flower. Even in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto it is stated that the Lord also eats that flower. Though flower is not to be eaten, it is to be smelt. But the Lord is under devotion to the devotees, so he doesn't understand whether it is to be eaten or it is to be smelt. It is described in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto 81st chapter. This verse is there. Patrang puspang phalang toyang. Anyway, and the Lord feels hungry, so he cried, but no one could hear it. They were busy in organizing the festival, so the Lord became angry. A small boy became angry, and he just kicked his leg a little forward, and by that only that cart, huge cart, and it went up. It went up to the sky. This slight kick of the Lord that was pressing down, so that it will that cart will kill the boy. With that purpose, that was coming down like that. So the Lord raised his hand, his little leg, and with that cart just jumped up like that, went up high in the sky, and turned back and felt, and become become turned apart, broken. A large, huge sound happened. So what happened? Like that, festivities are going on. They came and they saw this. So all these presentations were there. That curd, ghee, etc. They were also lying outside, falling down, and that cart also broke. They were astonished. How is it possible? There is no like storm or some hurricane or something like that. No, nothing is there. How could it happen? So they were Nanda Maharaj, Yashoda Maharohini, and others. They were asking, inquiring, how this happened? How this happened? These little boys, they were there watching the Krishna. They said, this boy just raised his leg, and this cart turned down. So no one could believe him, that boy's statement. Lots of activities are like that. Achintya Kaduje Bhava. We cannot think in our thinking power. He is beyond that. That is Divya. That is why stated. Jarma Karma Chame Divyam. All the activities of the Lord are transcendental, not in this material world. So we have to understand it through a spiritual master only. Otherwise we cannot understand. We will think it is imaginary, like that. Anyway, and Yashoda Maha took the child. It may so happen that the cart may fall over the child, but that the child is controlling everything. He is Ishwara, Parameshwara. How can that cart fall over him? He has broken it in such a way that it will not fall over them. Some other boys were also there. That cart fell at a little distant, so that they are safe. They are the controllers. He is particularly Krishna is the Parama controller, he is supreme controller. So anyway, Yashoda Maha took the child and gave her breastfeeding, and in this way, this Sakatasura is that Leela is described, and it is stated that this Sakatasura, he was in his previous birth, he was the son of Hiranyakya. His name was what is his name? His name is the Utkacha. Hiranyakya, they are very famous. Described in Srimad Bhagavatam, Hiranyakya Lila, Hiranyakya pastime described in Srimad Bhagavatam 3rd canto, 13th chapter to 19th chapter, these seven chapters. And the son of this Hiranyakya, who was killed by Lord Boar. And this Hiranyakya, he was caused by Lomasa Rishi. has cost. So now he was delivered. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur says in Chaitanya Sikhamrita, its significance is that each cart, the Sakata represents a cart full of bad habits. So when the Lord killed Sakatasura means our all bad habits will be killed if we take shelter of the Lord. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.